everyone, I hope you guys are doing really good. This is Ishita here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how exactly I got rid of my under eye dark circles. On 15th of September 2020, I was tested COVID positive, and thereafter my health went a little down, and as a result I developed a lot of issues, and one among those many issues were darkness around my eyes, and I was struggling with dark circles. So here you can see me showing how exactly my dark circles used to be just after my COVID, and how exactly they tamed down a bit after using this one product. So this is the third week of me trying out the under eye cream, and this is how my dark circles are currently, and I can clearly see the difference. I hope camera पे भी record हो रहा हो. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes by the end of the month, and I guess I'll record that as well. And finally we are here on the 40th day, and this is how my under eye area looks, and I hope you guys can clearly see that my under eye area is much more lighter now, because the dark circle has prominently reduced and the visible fine lines are also a little less. So one fine day I was actually going through few YouTube videos, and I saw a girl mentioning one very good under eye cream in her nighttime skincare routine video, and I immediately felt that good skincare can actually lift my mood up. So I immediately ordered the product, and thereafter I started using the product, though I didn't started filming the entire journey on the very first day, because I thought this is gonna be a regular cream, so what's big. And on the 5th day I guess I started recording the entire journey, because right after using this product for near about 3 to 4 days I started seeing visible results, which I was quite surprised to be true. And the product that I'm talking about is this Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Under Eye Cream. So this is how the packaging looks like. The packaging is really sturdy, and you can just see it got a pump on the top, and the packaging is really nice. You can carry this in your bag if you are traveling somewhere. Doesn't have any chances of leakage, so this is a very nice packaging, I must say. And now let me show you how exactly the texture feels like. This is not at all greasy, gets completely absorbed in the skin, and once it's completely absorbed there's no shine left. Just give it some time to dry out completely, and you can see that there is absolutely no shine left on the skin, and it gets completely absorbed. There's no greasiness. As a result, it doesn't helps the concealer creasing out. You can pump out the product, which is a very cool thing, because in that way the entire product doesn't come in contact with air, and as a result the oxidization and those things doesn't happen. So the product is quite safe in terms of packaging, and you can just pump out a very little amount, or just almost 2 squeezes of the pump onto your hand, and thereafter using your ring finger you can just slowly dab the product underneath your eyes, and this actually feels really right underneath the eyes, and the formulation is very liquidy, or you can say lightweight, and this doesn't feels like some sort of oily thing or sticky. This doesn't feel sticky at all, and as a result you can wear this underneath your makeup as well. The best part about this under eye cream is that you can use this underneath your makeup. The texture is not at all greasy. It feels extremely lightweight, non-sticky on skin, and it doesn't leaves any shine underneath the eyes. Now let me talk about the Ingredients: it contains coffee, which helps in reduction of dark circles because of its antioxidant properties. The next ingredient is caffeine, which actually helps toning the skin under the eyes. White water lily actually nourishes the skin and helps in reduction of the visible fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E reduces the sun damage. Sweet almond oil moisturizes and soothes the skin, and the hyaluronic acid actually hydrates the skin. All M Caffeine products are free from SLS, paraben, and they are also cruelty free. All M Caffeine products are gender neutral. That means both men and women can use them. Only 2 pumps of this product is exactly how much you need. I use this product both in my morning and nighttime skincare routine, as this is something that is actually not at all greasy or oily, and as a result I also use this underneath my makeup. As a result, this is something that I can actually use in morning skincare routines as well. I am currently hooked to this product. I really hope that आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. Then in that case, make sure you hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will love to make another review video for you guys, so please drop down your queries so that I know what you guys actually want me to film next. Bye bye, take care of yourself, love you.